it wouldn't be a Makeupmoo video without sirens in the back. Seriously.
Diamonds are forever.
Hey best friend, welcome back to my video. If you're new here, I'm Makeupmoo, and before we go any further with this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you guys know when I upload a video. So today we're going to be seeing what's tea with the new Colourpop No Filter foundation, and I've never tried the concealer, so I'm going to try the concealers as well in this video and their no filter powders. So yeah, let's jump right into the tea. Okay y'all, so the colors that I got offline were dark 175, which is the shade here, and let me go ahead and swatch on the back of my hand. Okay, look like we might could do a little something with this color here, but the undertone does look a little orange. Here we go with this orange foundation. Let me see. So I'm just putting a little here just to see what she's giving. Oof, child, I don't know. And the other shade I have is deep dark 185. This shade here, let's put that on the back of our hand. Let's see, let me put her here. These colors don't match my chest at all, but honestly my chest is lighter than my face and my neck, which I think is weird, but I just want you guys to really get the gist of the colors. In addition to the foundations, I went on ahead and copped some of the concealers because a lot of people have been raving about it and I haven't tried them yet. So the colors that I bought, this one is dark 42, and I'm gonna put that right there. Okay, might could do a little something with it. And then the other shade I have is dark 46. Okay, might could do a little something with that tip. I also bought the No Filter Shear pressed powder. The packaging is so freaking cute. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of holographic. Oh, I'm getting it dirty. And this is what she looks like. I might could do a little something with her. We'll see. And I also have the No Filter setting powder. It does look a little dark for setting, like underneath the eyes in this container, but it might not. We'll get into that. And because I bought the foundation, they actually gave me a brush for free, and this brush is really soft, so let's go ahead and see what these colors are giving. Okay, so I'm going to use dark 175 and dark 42 concealer and foundation together, and then I'm going to take deep dark 185 and dark 46 together. So I'm going to do half and half so we can really, get into the tea. So I already primed my face off camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the dark 175 foundation on the right side of my face. So I'm just gonna do about 2 pumps because I feel like a lot comes out of 1 pump of this foundation. And I'm gonna take the brush F16, pick some of that up, and apply. Okay, she's looking not too bad. The coverage I feel like is pretty good. I have a few moles on my face and it covered it instantly, so I would give this coverage about a medium. The color I'm just not too sure about, but let me go ahead and finish putting this all over my face and then we can decide, what she's giving. Also y'all, this brush I am loving. It's giving it a nice flawless coverage, like a even coverage. It's not like putting the foundation on my face streaky. And honestly, as I'm putting this on, I feel like this color is perfect. I feel like this color is not bad. I feel like when I first put it on, I'm like, but as I'm putting it on all over, I'm like, oh, okay, that's not bad. Now my forehead is a little dark because I have like a slight, very slight tan. So I would add a darker concealer on my forehead anyway to blend this stuff out, because girl, it's like 1 minute it's gloomy, 1 minute it's hot, and then when it's hot I just, girl, be tanning. Okay guys, and this is dark 175. I think this looks pretty good. Alright, so now I'm gonna clean off this brush and try the deep dark shade on the left side of my face and see what that color is giving. I don't know. Let's see. Honestly, I feel like this color is a little red, and it might work if I actually get a little bit more tan, because it's not too far off from the dark 175, but you can tell the difference in the but you can't tell the difference in the undertone. Honestly, I feel like either shade could work. Okay, so now I have both foundations on. Honestly, I feel like I could pass for either one. Like, can you guys tell the difference? This is deep dark. This is dark. I feel like the deep dark is a shade that I would still wear for now, but once I start tanning a little bit more, this, I could pass for this one. Not too bad, not too bad, Colourpop. Okay, so now let's try the concealers. So this is dark 42, and I'm gonna put it on the dark side. And let's see. Oh, I like this shade. This might work. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend her out using my beauty blender. Oh, I think I really like this concealer. Okay. Oh yeah, this concealer is bomb. This is definitely going in the Yes Pal. Look how they just brightened up my face. Child. Oh, this looks good, y'all. I'm loving this concealer. Yes. Okay, now let's try dark 46 on the deep dark side. And let's go ahead and blend that out. Damn, these concealers are A1 for real. Either side looks good. Oh, both sides look so bomb. I just feel like this one is like more. They both look good, y'all. Like, please leave a comment down below and let me know which color y'all think I should rock. Both shades are doing it for me. Okay, so looking at the setting powder, I'm not too sure if I want to set my under eye with this. I feel like this is more for setting the foundation. This is just way too dark, and I like for my under eyes to be a little bit more bright. So I'm just gonna go with my Fit Me powder in medium deep, and it's crazy because this shade is medium deep as well, but she a little too deep. And I'm just gonna set underneath my eyes with this. I'm gonna set both sides with this powder actually. Y'all, this looks good. And I'm actually gonna take some of the medium deep from Colourpop and just kind of set the rest of my face with that. Both sides. This would have been way too dark to set under my eyes with. Like, girl, good night. Okay, I really like this Colourpop no filter pressed powder too. Y'all, this looks bomb. It definitely looks like my face is filtered a little, I would say. And honestly, at this point, after setting everything, I feel like it only looks like I only used one foundation and one concealer. Like, that's how good both sides look. Very interesting. Okay, so let me finish the rest of my face and then we'll get back with our final thoughts. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my face and I think it looks really good. I personally cannot tell like which side is which. I mean, even though I know which colors I put on which side, it just all looks really good. I feel like I could pass for either shades. To be honest, I don't think that the foundation is something that I would pick up often. I do think the coverage is okay. To me, it gives like a medium coverage, but in this heat, I just don't feel like it's going to make it do. It wouldn't be a Makeupmoo video without sirens in the back. Seriously. I honestly feel like this foundation will probably go into my pile of foundations that I use when I'm out of my favorite foundations, if that makes sense. Like, it looks good, it's just not something I feel like I would pick up often. However, the concealers are shapopping. Oh shoot guys, I realized I didn't even use the no filter sheer pressed powder. Let me see what she's giving real quick. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this is giving like a blurring effect. Look how they just bring my cheekbones out. Oh yes. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so this is going in the yes pile for me too. The actual loose powder though, I love this too, because I really think that the powders really set the foundation off. Like, it really gives that blurring effect, that filtered effect, and I think it looks good. Y'all, please let me know down in the comments below which side you think is the best, if you think both looks good. I personally think both look good. I mean, I done said it about 1,000,000 times, but girl, I feel like I could pass for both. Like, I feel like I can go outside with 2 different foundations and 2 different concealers on. Thank you, best friends, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Shabloop!